Caersws railway station, and what a day it's been. 2nd of January. I don't know if you can see the fields over there. I'm on the platform at Caersws between Newtown and Machynlleth, and oh my god, what a day. Flooding, the train wasn't going to turn up, and I was halfway driving back to Machynlleth because they said it was as far as they were going to go, but they've come on further, they've had to turn back, so picking it up from Caersws. So I've never been to Caersws railway station, and you can see this bit, the shelter's a bit waterlogged in here. Oh, we have got a payphone, is it? There's a phone there as well. No cash, no problem. Oh well, so there you go. And you've got a pay machine here. And yeah, sign there. Delays, cancellations expected. Cancelled. 18, 16, 35 cancelled. Oh well, looks like the wife's getting back, so it's going on to Newtown, but I'll give it now. But yeah, luckily for me, I didn't have to go into Mac. So yeah, what a log out. Loads of rain today. Worst day ever. Now the crossing's already on. So yeah, that's Caersws railway station. And the exit and the car parks across the road there. There's all the cars waiting. Both sides. And here comes the train. Oh my life, what time was it? Didn't even check the time. Let's go back and have a look. Oh, 16:33. And it absolutely belted down all day. And here it comes. Everyone else is cancelled though. Oh, Birmingham International. And there we go. Coming in at Caersws. Oh. Even got a defibrillator here as well, just noticed. Right, okay, that's it. That's Caersws for you. What a morning and afternoon. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.